It's time for Show Off Sunday, where everyone has a chance to show off their own car, and here's this week's winner.
Hello everyone. Today I will be talking about my 2015 Hyundai Genesis 5-liter V8. I bought this car used with 69,000 kilometers, and now it has around 105,000 kilometers after 6 months of ownership. To start it off, this car looks amazing in my opinion. The first generation came back in 2009 and carried its design until 2014. There was the option of a 3.8-liter V6, a 4.6-liter V8, and a 5-liter V8. All of them came in a rear-wheel drive platform. The model I have is a second generation, which came back in 2015 with the option of all-wheel drive. Only the Canadian models were able to get all-wheel drive with the 5-liter V8 at the time. In 2015, Hyundai announced Genesis will become its own brand. What was known as the Hyundai Genesis is now known as the Genesis G80. I absolutely love this car. It's been extremely reliable so far after putting it through extreme city abuse and harsh weather conditions. All I've been doing is regular oil changes, that's it. The 5-liter makes 420 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque, taking it from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. I average around 10.5 liters per 100k, which translates to about 22 miles per gallon. I think that's a really good number considering this engine doesn't have cylinder deactivation or auto start-stop systems. The interior is very spacious and comfortable. The quality of the materials are very good. And yes, this is real wood trim in the interior of a Hyundai. Heated and cooled seats and a giant panoramic sunroof are just some of the dozen features available on the Genesis. One of my favorite features of the interior is the 17-speaker Lexicon audio system. The Lexicon company is known for the design and development of the multi-speaker audio system for the Rolls-Royce Phantom. So it feels really special that you have it in your Hyundai Genesis. I'm 6'1" and I fit very comfortable back here. The adaptive dampers make this car ride smooth, which makes it your best friend on the highways. What really makes this car special is that it's very rare. You don't see this every day, at least here in Canada. I get compliments all the time, but sometimes it gets a little bit too much attention. Before buying this car, I test drove a Chrysler 300S, a BMW 5 Series, and an Infiniti Q70, which all compete with the Genesis. But the Genesis was the best bang for your buck. You can purchase this car for under $30,000 Canadian, which is a bargain for this car with this much power. Even brand new, the Genesis is $15,000 to $20,000 less than their competitors from Lexus, Infiniti, Mercedes, Audi, and Jaguar, just to name a few. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. A shout out to Scotty Kilmer for giving me the chance to show my car. Please check out my channel for more videos. Thank you.
Well, that was this week's video, and remember, to have your car video highlighted here on my channel, check this out! So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell!